mid-back was looking really good with this in the upper back area. You know? Yeah.
Aww.
So you might be having some things like stuffy nose and stuff like that.
Big time,
Yeah?
actually. Yes, we're having to suck her nose out several times a day.
So not too surprising there. Patients ask all the time, what can chiropractic do to help my baby? My baby has colic, or my baby has ear infections, or my baby has problems with acid reflux. And they want to know, how is it that chiropractic can help? Because it's helped me, so how is it that, what can we do to help my baby? Well, they did a journal review and they looked at articles that were published for chiropractic helping these babies, helping babies like yours. And what they found was that, look, we looked at 26 different articles that were published, and this had some peer reviews, had some cohorts, this had all these trials and everything else that looked at what chiropractic can do to help these babies. What they found was, they said, our review revealed that chiropractic care is a viable alternative to care of infantile colic and congruent with evidence-based practice, particularly when one considers that medical care options are no better than placebo or have been associated with adverse effects. So think of it this way, parents out there, think of it like this for your little ones, that you're gonna get the results that you want for your baby no longer having colic without having the negative side effects of taking the medication. So what we see in my practice all the time whenever I'm taking care of babies is we start to see them sleeping better, they're having more energy, they're being more, being more babies like they should be. They're being who they should be because we start taking care of the problem that's actually there. We start taking care of the underlying issue. A lot of times in the birthing process, and just from them learning how to crawl or roll over or turn their head or do the different things that they do, they'll get problems that end up in their spine. Those little misalignments in their spine can cause the nerve to not function the way that it's supposed to. Now that nerve can go all over. It can go to your gut, cause things like problems that are there. It can cause things like acid reflux because of the problems that are there. It can cause things like colic, ear infections because of an upper nerve issue, an upper cervical issue. Those things keep your baby from functioning the way that they're supposed to. The cool thing is that they can get chiropractic care. It is, just as it says in the study, extremely effective, and it gets them the results that they want without having any of the negative side effects that we're seeing with the medications that they do. Now, another thing that we have to look at is this is really cool too, and I want to make sure I say this right too, is that they looked at it for otitis media, which is ear infections. They also looked at it for acid reflux too. How does chiropractic help with those things? And what they said that the study found that children with acid reflux, it was notable improvement in the patient's symptoms was observed within 4 visits and a total resolution of symptoms within 3 months of care. So that means within 4 visits, they started doing better. Within 3 months, just 3 months, they started seeing that it's completely gone without any negative side effects. How awesome is that? You don't have to worry about your little one taking medications and having negative side effects. If you're having them take medications, look at the side effects that are associated there. I know with my kids and with my patients, they don't want to have to worry about those side effects. If that's something that you're looking for your kids, we would love to see what we can do. We would love to see how we can help. And I promise, you're gonna be happy with our office. You're gonna be happy with what it is that we can do. I know I've used chiropractic with all 3 of my kids, my nieces, my nephews, everybody. We would love to help yours too.
Yes.